Dr.V.Samuthirakani, Divisional Engineer, Highway, Special Project Division, Coimbatore. Over 25 years of experience in highway planning, design, execution, major highway and bridge projects across TamilNadu. Currently, he is heading Avinashi Road Elevated Corridor project, Tamil Nadu, longest flyover worth 1,791 crores. He is a B Civil Engineering from Karikudi, ME Structures from TCE Madurai, PhD Highway Engineering from Priest University. His doctoral research was subgrade stabilization with copper slag. Since 1887 to 98, he was associate lecturer to head of department AKC. Then since 1998, present highway department, served in Kanyakumari, Madurai, assistant engineering division, divisional engineer. Major projects handling by him included. Then he is also involved in Coimbatore Flyover, Sangam, GN Mills. He has also handled multiple eco-friendly infrastructure projects with rainwater harvesting and urban greening. And he has been awarded also with District Collector Best Performance Award for 5 consecutive years. Let us give a big round of clap to our Dr. V. Samuthirakani. Over to you, Chairman.
Respected and dedicated engineers of this building, good afternoon to everybody. I am very happy here that most of you are my fellow engineers coming from highways department. So you'll definitely encourage me, I think. So within that, so I'm going to do the execution of a 10.1 kilometer urban elevated corridor in dense city environment. So Coimbatore is a fast developing city in the India itself. So it's a hub, a major hub for commercial, industrial, educational, and healthcare institutions. So all along this, all along the road, so many educational institutions are placed. Now coming to the Avinashi Road, this is a major arterial roads passing through east and west of the Coimbatore city. Along both ends of these roads, so many institutions, education institutions, medical colleges, engineering colleges, commercials, and shopping malls, everything is present. So always the Avinashi Road will be a highly congested area, and the traffic will be very congested. Because of extension, so many buildings along this highways, we could not wide the existing carriageway. That's why we have gone for construction of elevated corridor in the Avinashi Road. So actually it has been named as a GD Naidu Elevated Corridor. Now let me play an audio visuals just telling the overall view of this project. Yes, sir.
Coimbatore, a city that has excelled in education, economy, industrial growth, and many other areas, and has earned several distinctions for itself, is now set to reach even greater heights with the establishment of Tamil Nadu's longest elevated bridge. This project, executed by the Highways and Minor Ports Department, spans 10.1 kilometers from Goldwins to Uppilipalayam at a total estimated cost of Rs 1,791.23 crore. This elevated structure includes a 4-lane elevated expressway and a 6-lane ground-level road, totaling 10 lanes. The flyover has entry and exit ramps at 4 major points: Coimbatore Airport, Hope College, Nava India, and Anna Statue, making it highly accessible. One of the key features of this project is the incorporation of advanced sinus plate expansion joints, a new technology designed to ensure smooth travel, reduce noise, and increase vehicle lifespan. The project also includes various facilities such as footpath cum drainage system, safety walls, traffic signs and information boards, roller crash barriers for enhanced safety, electric street lights, RGB decorative lighting. For the first time in Tamil Nadu, a pioneer rainwater harvesting system has been installed at every span of the flyover to enhance the groundwater table, and a secondary railway overbridge constructed span with steel girder and concrete slab has been built for 52 meters where the structure crosses railway tracks. To preserve the environment and beautify the city, landscaped medians and decorative plants and grass have been laid between elevated and ground level roads. These green spaces are supported with drip irrigation systems and sprinklers for regular watering. With all these remarkable features, this flyover is set to become a landmark of Coimbatore. It significantly reduces travel time from the city to the airport from 45 minutes to just 10 minutes. This project will contribute immensely to fuel savings, pollution reduction, improved efficiency, and promote growth in commerce, industry, education, tourism, and medical services. We express our heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for swiftly completing the construction of this highly special bridge and for inaugurating the flyover by naming it GD Naidu, a close comrade in arms of Periyar's principles and India's Edison, who brought glory through new scientific discoveries. Thank you.
Now, in my procedure, rather than discussing about the design views, actually, I am going to discuss about the project overview and what are the major features and major hurdles we have encountered during the execution of the project. So, I have divided into 6 parts. Then one is project overview and key engineering structures and sustainability, traffic, major challenges, and aesthetic view of this project. Now, coming to this project, this is one of the longest project in India. And it's the longest project in Tamil Nadu, 10.1 kilometers at an estimated cost of 1,791.23 crores. So, already shown in the AV, the elevated corridor, actually the top elevated level is 4 laning, and the upgrade levels we are having 6 lanes, are totally 10 lanes. And we are having actually 3 knot spans in main carriageway, and all everything is a 30 meter span. All normal spans are 30 meter span, and in the critical places where junctions are located, we have increased the span to 40 meters. And only at one ROV portions, it is a second level ROV, we have gone for a 52 meter span. Now the project has started in 2020 under agreement period of 4 years, but we have completed within 4.5, actually 4.5 years period, we are able to complete the full stretch and open the traffic by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu during October 2025 9. Now coming to the key major engineering features, as actually we are having both type of foundation, open foundation and pile foundation as per the subsoil particulars. Actually for that, so we are having the pile testing and all, and the actually bearings, we have used all the types of bearing, guided bearings, spin bearings, fixed bearings, and free bearings, all types of bearings we have used. And this is an AV for the fabrications. Actually, it is made up of structured box girder. Actually, already explained. This is a box girder. Actually, it is having a stud, so it is called a studded box girder. It's already pre-stressed. Actually, the total actually span length is 30 meters. It has been divided into some 12 segments, and it has been casted in the yard and brought at the site. So this is brought at a lifting process. And this is transportation. Now coming to the major key engineering features, we are having the sinus plate expansor joint. Actually, usually ordinary expansor joint we will be having a copper plate or stripsil expansion joints that will give, in most cases, even though the surface are leveled, it will give noise. But here we are using the sinus plate expansion joint. It is sine curve. It's just like a sine curve. So when vehicle move from one deck to another deck, there will be no disturbance or no noise at all. Then apart from that, we are having the one span of 52-meter railway spans actually. So it is a second tier railway span, and we have used 52 meters span steel and composite girders. Then as usual, we are having RE walls for all the ramp portions. Now the next one is sustainability of our bridge. Usually nobody will concentrate about the sustainability, but we are concentrated on this one. The first one is we have placed part foundation at elevated levels. We have placed so many parts, some 3,000, 4,000 parts, and we are raising the plants over it. And also at the elevated, at the upgrade level also, we are having the plantations in greenery plantations. Then apart from this is the first time we are introducing rainwater harvesting in all the decks of the flyover. About 240 rainwater harvesting we have placed, and it has been awarded by the President of India recently. That President has given a memento to district collector for this one. So apart from this, we are having the drip irrigation and the sprinkler irrigation to avoid actually wastage of waters and all. Actually, because it is a heavy congested traffic area, placing of vehicles, tanker vehicles not possible. So we have gone for a drip irrigation. And then actually sustainability, LED lights and all, and solar blinkers. To use electricity effectively, we are using LED lights and solar lights. Then regarding the traffic and the safety improvements. So this is the first time in India we have introduced the roller crash barrier in the elevated corridor. So this is a roller crash barrier. This is the up ramp. When a vehicle moving from up ramp, it may have a chance to hit over the crash barrier, existing concrete crash barrier wall. So to avoid the crossing over the concrete crash barrier, we have provided a roller crash barrier. So it will guide it properly from the upper ramp to the main carriageway. So it merges very easily. Apart from this, we are having the high containment cross barriers of 1.5 meters height. Then we have provided also normal after the normal price, we have digitally printed retro-reflecting boards for easily night and day visibility. From long distance, even from 500 meter distance, we can visible this one. So for ambulance, they keep a safe distance for information boards. All are retro-reflected digitally displayed boards we have placed. Then apart from that, chevron boards and reflective markers for night visibilities we have done. Then this is a rubber speed breakers, is a temporary arrangements, and we are going to provide actually artificial intelligence camera over this very shortly. Then the challenges, the main thing is so many challenges because it is a densely populated area with so many challenges are there. The first one is a land acquisition issue. Before there, so many court cases are there, but we have succeeded in all the cases, and we have completed the cases and we have started the works. Then due to junction closures and high traffic volume, then limited working space and utility shifting delays also, we have faced and we have overcome everything. And also during night work and COVID-19 safety girder launching, then approval from railways, we had so much hurdles and all. Then we have undertaken everything and we have succeeded easily. So this is the traffic. So this much of traffic is available in the Avinashi Road Elevated Corridor, but we have handled very correctly and we have completed in time. So these are the equipments, heavy equipments. Actually, we cannot place the equipments in a correct position because this is very only 3 lanes road and traffic is flowing 24 hours a day. Even at night, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, there will be heavy traffic at all. Then limited working space. Actually, we don't have any limited working space, very limited. Within that working space, we could succeed in everything. This is launching over the traffic. And another main thing is actually, if you look at this, whenever we are digging a service, we are having so much cables and all. So we are overcome everything and we are transported. Actually, we have shifted the cables and we have done all the works. And this is night works. During entire things we have to do only at the night times. And the main thing is another thing is we have to get the approval from railways. That is a very tedious thing because we have to follow so many procedures. We have to get the permission from RDOS level, Salem level, then Railway Ursa, Barakwanam, and Southern Railway Chennai. So all we have got approval from railways for the second level elevated corridor, all the ROV portions. So not only safety and technical point, we have to also consider aesthetic enhancements also. So we have provided a decorative pylons the first time we hear. So these pylons are depicting the behavior, actually the traditional culture of Tamil. We have placed some Gobram pylons at the center, and at the board edges we have placed some pylons or decorative pylons pillars. Then attractive colors paintings we have done. And then aesthetic, the flowering plants and elevator oriented grass and everything we have done. And during night times, it looks very nice because we have done the RGB light in the selected places at the junction point. So we are going to end after that the final AV. So this is a finished audio visuals of our elevator corridor. This daytime. I have said 50 minutes. I have completed correctly. It is alarm is ringing.